In the last video, we had seen some basic electrical components like the battery, the bulb, and a few wires. In this video, we shall use them to make a simple circuit. What is a circuit? Well, it is a simple arrangement of these electrical components so that we can make something useful out of them. So let us try to make a circuit. So first, I place the battery here and the bulb here, and I'll use these wires to connect the battery and the bulb. So here I go. So I can take this wire and connect it from this end to this end of the bulb, and take another wire and join the other end of the battery to the other end of the bulb. So I'll just connect them now. So here I can clearly see, as I connect the battery through a wire to the bulb, I create a closed circuit. How is it closed? Because it forms a loop. It starts at this point, at the end of the battery, goes through the bulb to the other end of the battery, and if I create a complete circuit, the bulb close. But if in case I break the circuit, which means I form a gap here, the bulb stops glowing. So this is an open circuit, and if I try to connect it back, the bulb glows because the circuit is open, and if I remove it, the bulb stops glowing. So that is how a closed circuit works. So we made a closed circuit using two wires, some piece of wires actually, and a battery and a bulb. We can also make another circuit, a simple circuit, using a motor. So I can just remove the battery from here, remove the bulb from here, and put in a motor there. So I'll just do that. Yeah. So here I have a motor now instead of the bulb. So I have the battery, which is connected through a wire to the motor, and the other end of the motor is connected back to the battery. But I have an open circuit here. Sorry. So that again became an open circuit. So I have an open circuit. There's a gap there, and the motor will not run. But as soon as I touch, see, as soon as I touch it here, I form a closed loop, a closed circuit, and the motor starts. But if in case, let's say I break the circuit from here, so if I keep it connected from here, but so it will work. But if I break the circuit from there, it stops because I get a gap there. Current cannot flow across this gap, and so it stops. So that is how closed circuits work, and we just saw how to make a few simple circuits using simple electrical components.